Now we're next going to take what we just learned about what a contradiction is and apply that to solving a system of linear equations. So we have the system then, y minus 4 is equal to 8x and 16x minus 2y is equal to 8. And we're going to solve the system using the substitution method. Now you probably agree as you look at both equations it'll be easiest to solve the first equation for y. So let's do that. So we have then y then is equal to 4 plus 8x. And what we'll do now is substitute that for y into the second equation. So we have then 16x minus 2 times the quantity 4 plus 8x is equal to 8. And now we'll distribute. So we end up then with 16x minus 8 minus 16x is equal to 8. And you can see that the x terms will cancel, so we're left then with negative 8 is equal to 8. So the variable terms have dropped out completely and we're left with a false statement, which is a contradiction. So that will tell us then that the solution to the original system then is the empty set, or there is no solution. So that's what we'll write down then, no solution to the system. And what we'll find when we do the check here in just a minute, hopefully you remember that if there's no solution, it means that the two lines in the system will be parallel to each other. So we'll do that next. Now to verify that there indeed is no solution to the system that we just looked at algebraically, we'll graph both lines. And the first equation, y minus 4 equals 8x, if I put that in slope-intercept form, it becomes y equals 8x plus 4. And you can see that it'll be graphed below in blue, and the y-intercept of 4 is located there, and the slope is 8, so what I did was move up 8 units and then to the right 1 unit to locate another point. And for the second equation, if I put that in slope-intercept form, it becomes y equals 8x minus 4, and so its y-intercept is 0, negative 4, which you can see is graphed below here in red. And the slope is the same, so I moved up 8 units from the y-intercept and over 1 unit to locate another point. So it's pretty clear because of the slope-intercept forms of the equation for each that the slope is the same but the y-intercepts are different, so therefore the lines would be parallel and the system would have no solution.